working on the Teryx today because last time I was out I can hear some clunking, and I looked closer. I don't know if you can see that, but basically there's a lot of movement right here in these bushings. So bottom is fine, it's just the uppers. So I got a bag of bushings. I'm going to replace at least the uppers. Like I say, the lowers are not moving at all, just the uppers. Put some new upper bushings in. I'll take a look at the lowers. I got a bag full of them. I thinking they're upper and lower, but if they're just for the upper, that's fine, because that's the ones that are bad right now. So. Oh, well, I guess that's a good sign. New one doesn't go in as easy as the old one came out.